we will send parachutes on the guns of the forest. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door, we're coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go, put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes. Get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone.
And today on Have a Nice Day, we are continuing on with our Boker Plus Advent Calendar. Today is December 10th. So without any further ado, let's move this over here and go over to the box for the 10th. Happier that it's a larger box. And hey, we have this really beautiful carbon fiber scale. That's looking sharp, pun intended. Go ahead and put this back here. Pop it in. We will go get our collection of previous days. So there you go. What do you think about that? That's going to look fantastic. All right. Thank you so much for spending time here with me today. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And just think, in 14 days, we're going to have a nice day.
We will send parachutes on the guns of the forest. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door, we're coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go, put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute.